They're hugging each other. Oh my God! Are you my?
I can do what I want to do.
Not now.
Our differences are not something to be tolerated. They are something to be celebrated. Thank you.
Sunday, I guess, and Khyla's hungry, so why not? Like, why not? I think it's Sunday.
It is Sunday. Hope you ain't got no homework. Which one is closer?
My classes were canceled tomorrow.
All of them?
2 out of 3.
How did you... Wait, what? How do you leave 3 classes?
I
In
have
total? Or like...
for Monday.
Why did your classes get
Because
canceled?
she told us she's giving us time to research some stuff in one class. The other class, she said she's just not going to be here.
No, it's not. It's not.
It's not.
It's like, nah. Watch, it's gonna go boom. It's gonna fall.
No, the fuck it's not, because as soon as I hear the car move, catch.
Oh, gosh. Fuck it, I really want Long John Silver, and I'm tired of Chipotle. Like, I'm
She like, get
so
the car
tired
stand.
of Chipotle. This light looks nice, though. But my head look big. Look at my forehead.
It's always big.
I know.
Newsflash! She got a big head, guys.
Stop. I know I got a 5 head.
Hell, I told my cousin her baby got a big head.
You need to quit. Don't talk about that, baby.
I know she's probably gonna get mad at me after a while, because every time we on the phone, I'm like Jaden, forehead
He's
shiny
a talker.
boy.
He's a talker. He's so cute. Car about to move.
Really? Drop top. Okay, guys. So I didn't plan on eating when we came out to eat, but Khyla, I took her receipt and I did the survey that was on the back, and I just got free food and a pie. And the only thing I had to
Look
pay
at God.
right.
Do the surveys.
Right. Do the survey, because the only thing I paid for was my drink. And it's huge. So everybody wins. Everybody eats. Everybody eats.
Ooh, cricket. Oh, gosh. We were just waiting. Wow.
Alright, guys. Moral of the story is, everybody eats! When you go to Long John Silver's or wherever you go, sit down and do the survey. Like, she paid for food, I took her receipt and did it. Everybody eats.
She said everybody eats.
Where is it?
You know, I had to pay.
Right there.
I've never seen Long John Silver's do that, though.
But they were so fast.
They were fast as fuck.
Like, she ordered her food and the guy just reached his hand to the side and said, "Here you go."
There was no wait.
Sun went away.
At my forehead.
Came back.
So,
Ooh, girl, that forehead shining.
cause look, I ain't got no. It looks like I ain't got no eyebrows.
Look, we can play tennis on her forehead, guys.
That was mean.
No, it's not.
That was. Why you have to come for me?
I come for everybody with big foreheads.
I know. I gotta look. 5.
Where did you start? Like in the middle or like?
I just put my hand on my forehead. It's 5. Like for real, look, it's 5 or 4.
No, you know.
It's like 4.5.
Wow.
I don't even know eyebrows today.
It's
Look at my forehead.
You have eyebrows. It's just a light. I need to go back and brush my teeth.
Ew.
I literally just wrote out of it.
You better take that out. They be like,
Okay. Judge me. I gotta brush my teeth.
man, if we didn't have GPS, I would never leave campus. I would be so scared.
You'd learn how to get around. If that was your only option, you'd learn how to do it. It's literally a straight shot. You'd figure it out. You like, how'd I get here?
Starting route to Central State University. Head northeast on Beaver Valley Road, then turn right onto
So you go.
Yellow Spring.
You got the camera?
I got it.
Wow.
Look at this place, guys. It's so freaking cute. It's like adorable.
That look like trash. Like,
But it's like adorable. It looks like a little mom and pop shop. It's cute. I want to go to a concert, but the thing is, I don't want to be like in the nosebleeds because I want to be in the front.
in the nosebleeds.
No, I don't want to be that high up. That's like the top.
So I've never been on the very top.
I just feel like front row is the best experience of your life.
But I don't know. I want to be that close either, because you know people be like, so like you have the floor seats, but then everyone gets like up on this thing.
I want to be up on this.
I don't like that, because then I feel like everyone pushing on me. I'd rather be comfortable and just watch.
But I feel like once people will, after a while, realize you're not going to get any closer than this, so they're going to just relax.
But sometimes they don't. Like, I don't know. That's just me. I don't like people touch me. I really don't. So I know that wouldn't be fun for me. Like, that wouldn't be a good place for me to sit for a concert.
If anybody wants to sponsor me and Khyla going to 2 concerts to figure out which experience is the best, I want to be in the front. She doesn't. Because we're broke. I'm broke. I'm speaking for myself right now.
Broke too.
Alright, so both of us, we're both broke. So if anybody wants us to go to a concert, help me, help you,
Help us.
bam.
Help us. Help you. Help us.
They're just looking at me holding it.
Are they?
Yes.
Oh well. They're probably like, oh, these kids these days.
Millennials. How millennial type stuff is this? We're literally recording. Pretty much. We're gonna do something interesting-ish.
This week. Tuesdays.
Yeah, they're going out for Valentine's Day.
They. Us.
Us.
You're coming.
Us. So I'm gonna vlog Valentine's Day since I'm gonna be like the relationship photographer, because everybody going out got their boo. But you know what? I got, huh?
I'm still taking my camera though.
She gonna bring her camera. Ooh.
She gonna put the camera out.
Ooh, she gonna carry hers around. And I'm gonna be there. You know.
She said, and I'm gonna be there. I can't.
I'm gonna be there.
We're gonna go see 50 Shades Darker.
We're seeing 50 Shades
We'll let y'all
Darker.
know how that goes. We're not gonna be spoilers, okay? Okay.
I like to spoil.
No, you can't do that. No, we can talk about the movie. Just like, it was good.
Alright, y'all, so I hate most movies that I see nowadays because they're all garbage and they all go down the drain so freaking fast. So if you want a real review, you know, I'll let you know. Everybody in the car gonna cake it up on it was alright. I'll be like, no, it sucked.
The first one wasn't even bad. It was just the ending that was bad. Like, where they ended it, why they ended it right there. Like, that shit was retarded. They could have ended it sooner instead of them exiting that fucking elevator. That shit. Christian. What the hell? That really made me mad.
Listen, I'll let you know if the movie sucks. What would be cool? There's like a whole bunch of land back there behind Speedway. They should put a dollar store back there. Since there's like nothing in walking distance.
Oh shit, I supposed to go to CVS. Why did this take me this way? I forgot.
It's like they have browns, but they're never dark enough for me. 90s babe.
What about that?
It's probably not. I don't think it's dark enough. Can you open it? No, no, at all. It's not dark enough. So I think I'm gonna stick with this.
That one? Okay. Well, I need some concealer.
I don't even know what concealer looks like.
It's like this, but I want a cheaper one.
$9 for nail polish. Who do you think you are? I give it to you. This color's pretty. I like that blue. You know what I want to try? Like when I get a whole bunch of money, I want to try like those clothing hauls. Cause I really want to try to order from Fashion Nova, but I don't know how.
Yeah, I want to order from Fashion. I want some pants from Fashion Nova really bad.
Like I want to do the clothing hauls, like when people order and they try them on. But I just don't have the money to order.
Look at that. Just need a concealer stick. Are you really? Yeah, she just came around the corner. Who, the worker?
Yeah, we're being color.
Oh gosh.
Like look, I never found like a dark one like this from that like fits me like this. Fits, oh girl. They always be like nudes, but they don't ever have my nude. So they're a liar. I have to go into the brown section to still not find my color. Liquid and it said matte, so I'm a little upset, guys.
We don't know that. Yours almost look like mine.
Well, this says matte. Can't even see it. And it's shiny, and I don't like shiny stuff on my lips.
Why you got lipstick on?
Because I was trying it out.
You like it?
Nope. It's shiny.
Shiny in the bag?
I don't like shiny stuff. I have big lips, so it looks like I'm slobbering. Khyla's taking me to the waterfall. I'm gonna leave this on and see if it dries. Looks less liquid, more matte.
It should.
I'm gonna try to brush my teeth with it on. So let's see how much I have to redo. Don't fall up the steps, Khyla. Whoa, so glad you didn't get that. I should have been on the floor. When you have a dry erase board on your door and security leaves you a note. I don't like it. I need some water. Bro, yeah. I look like I got hit. I don't like
all over your fingers now.
I'm trying to get it. I had like a wet tissue. I was using the little wipes. I didn't even get to fix my puffs. Quit. Representing the realest zodiac out there. You know. But come on. You have any wipes?
I don't think that. No, I don't have any wet wipes. Why?
I don't.
You're supposed to.
Say hi.
Why would people walk this far?
She said hey.
I wouldn't even.
Never doing this again in my life.
And this is why people use concealer. You know what I'm saying? Like that's what I use to keep it up.
I hate bridges.
So you went on the outside where? Like right here? Oh, over there. Oh, you were way then to the waterfall. I know. I meant like I wasn't because it was dark. Everything was closed. Amir would not go. And I was scared because it was dark outside. Maybe when it's nicer outside, we can come back.
Yeah.
There's water.
don't look like it. Danielle! Rocks over there. I want to go to those rocks. You got to get in the water. Can't see us, but I'm pretty sure we right. There we are.
This is so cool.